Hi guys! No baking tutorial today, instead we will discuss 25 essential baking tools. Stocking up on baking equipment may be a costly endeavor at the start, but can potentially result in an infinite number of baked goods down the line. These essential tools will help transform a kitchen into a well-equipped home bakery in no time. 1. Kitchen scale. When baking, using precise measurements is essential. A kitchen scale will guarantee the weight of ingredients is just right. 2. Oven thermometer. Ovens can be unreliable when it comes to temperature precision. Use an oven thermometer to guarantee the appliance has hit the exact degree required for a recipe. 3. Hand mixer or stand mixer. Whether a cook opts for a work-intensive hand mixer or a more expensive stand mixer fitted with various attachments, from paddles, whisks, and dough hooks, a good mixer is necessary to the baking process. 4. Cake pans. Invest in a heavy-duty 9 by 13-inch baking pan as well as 2 or 3 circular cake pans that can handle all of your sheet cakes, layer cakes, and celebratory desserts. 5. Glass square pan, ideal for brownies and other baked bars. A 9-inch square pan is another essential kitchen addition. 6. Muffin pan. A 12-count muffin pan is useful for cupcakes and muffins. 7. Loaf pan. Bread lovers and amateur bakers alike need a good 9 by 5-inch non-stick or stainless steel loaf pan to make banana bread or proof and bake homemade loaves. 8. Pie pan. A high-quality 9-inch glass or ceramic pie pan that can be reused with many iterations of pie dough is a must-have for bakers. 9. Rimmed baking sheets, necessary for making cookies, toffee, brittles, rolls, and more. Sheet pans, cookie sheets, and half-sheet pans are necessary for a well-stocked kitchen. 10. Mixing bowls. A set of glass bowls for combining dry and wet ingredients is important for any home baker. 11. Measuring cups and spoons. Invest in a set of dry and liquid measuring cups and measuring spoons to be set for cooking and baking measurements. 12. Rolling pin. A sturdy wooden rolling pin is necessary for rolling out a variety of doughs, from pie crust to yeasted dough for cinnamon rolls. 13. Flour sifter or fine mesh sieve, a useful tool for aerating flour during the baking process. 14. Silicone baking mat and parchment paper, useful tools for covering sheet pans to reduce cleanup. Invest in a sturdy baking mat by Silpet or another brand, or alternatively use parchment paper, which you can cut into rectangles and circles for all your baking pans. 15. Cooling rack, an important kitchen addition that allows baked goods to cool from all directions, avoiding prolonged overcooking and soggy bottoms as a result of trapped moisture. 16. Spatulas. Invest in a rubber spatula and offset spatula for flipping and stirring needs. 17. Whisk, necessary for whisking egg whites and thoroughly combining dry ingredients. 18. Cookie cutters. Cookie cutters and presses will make shopping fun, holiday-friendly cookies a breeze. 19. Pastry blender aka pastry cutter, a useful utensil that easily integrates hard fats into flour using strips of wire. 20. Bench scraper, a beloved tool of bakers that allows them to scrape up dough and batter from any surface. 21. Food processor, a useful tool for chopping ingredients and combining hard-to-mix ingredients. 22. Pastry brush, used to brush butter or egg wash onto dough prior to cooking. A pastry brush helps to give baked goods their golden brown exterior. 23. Cookie scoops. Producing uniform scoops of cookie dough is necessary to guarantee the entire batch of cookies cooks evenly. Cookie scoops are available in various sizes, allowing you to make big and small uniform cookies without getting your hands dirty. 24. Pastry bags and piping tips, perfect for cake decorating and other piping needs like making eclairs. Pastry bags are a decorator's best friend. 25. Ice cream maker, an optional kitchen appliance for churning ice creams, sorbets, gelatos, and frozen yogurts. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. Also hit the bell button so that you will be notified once we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.